Welcome to the Oppo Roast Show. Yes. Woohoo!
We have Amit Tiwari here. You have done a BSc. How did you get a girlfriend?
Vinayak is a level up guy who got rejected in Shadi.com and GamerShadi.com also.
If you look at Rohit, and it is difficult to differentiate between his videos and emojis sometimes.
Why do you edit your pics that much heavy? Like to hide your poor photographic skills?
I'm a heavy driver. Bugs and lags are as impossible as Rohit getting standing ovation in his shows.
Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Balya Babu, sexy!
This is the Oppo Roast Show where we'll also show you the latest Color OS 13. Are you guys excited for that?
With the help of ColorOS dynamic computing engine, he used it so much that any other phone will die 4 times a day, man. We have Vaishnavi. Today in the morning, she asked Rohit if he wants to charge his power bank using her phone. I was like, oh bhai, confidence take the overconfidence.
Pawan has been invited here only basing on the age minority issues.
Amit mostly clicks pics of doors that are shut, and it tells what his family would do with him if he chooses his passion. Amit is absolutely excellent at what he does. He only thinks that. Amit is single even after owning a DSLR. And we all know the reason. BCom.
Faisal, if I may ask you, what is your family WhatsApp group name? Star Parivar. तुम्हारा अब्बा शाहरुख खान है?
Rohit uses Oppo Renovate, right? Just to show that he is rich. Vaishnavi is an Oppo influencer. She influences people to buy Oppo devices. How she convinces people? She shows how Oppo makes her average clicks look so pretty with his beautification mode.
Can we have a round of applause for all the contestants, guys? Yes! But yeah, now it's finally time for me to, call on the dais the 2 dignitaries from Oppo.
First, can we have a very big round of applause for all of you? To all the binge watchers and the gamers, get ready to say bye-bye to your power banks.
Are you guys excited about knowing who's won the prize this year? The winner is somebody who's done, he's been ripped apart for doing a BCom, but yeah. He's the first Oppo Roast Master.